what's the difference between commissioning, quality management, the energy audit process that utilities do, and then custom equipment startup?
Yeah, all of these, what's unique here is that all of these pertain to industrial drug manufacturing, right? We're not renovating dad's garage anymore. We're not converting your basement to a grow. We're actually engaging in a industrial process that needs quality control, quality management systems. So whole building commissioning is a requirement for many industries, and it allows the testing by a third party of what gets designed to how it actually runs and how it operates. So super critical in cannabis. Quality management systems are your business operations and how they support CGMP, which is current good manufacturing practices. So that would be your ability to comply with the federal drug and manufacturing requirements. ISO 9000, 9001, those are business optimization tools that tie in directly with the FDA and with business operations, and they do have physical ramifications to facilities as well. Energy audits, we will hear from our partners in the utilities, but this is cash in your pocket potentially, right? This is how to do things correctly and how to get incentivized from stepping in it deeply, right? So that's talk to your utility companies early and often. Get to know them.
And your program administrators as well, which is a little flavor for Massachusetts. Their program administrators we'll talk about in just a sec.
Yeah, that's a good distinction to make, right? Utility is not just one big monolith. There are program administrators who can talk to cannabis entities much more articulately than can the guy who does the request for a power drop,
for example. Yeah, exactly.
Two different things, right? Thank you for making that distinction. And then some of these projects require custom equipment. And if you have a piece of equipment made that's specific to your manufacturing or specific to your grow, let's say you do have, a pot washing machine that someone needs to manufacture for you. Those are the type of, I think, also obvious that you would commission a thing like that to make sure it works the way you intend it to before you put that piece to use in your facility.